Great morning, fifth graders. It is Wednesday, and if you are listening to this, that meant you saw my little head up at the top of Happy Wednesday and you clicked on it. So you may quietly go up to Mrs. Johnson and say, I clicked on the video, and Mr. Brown said I get 3 Tootsie Rolls today. 3 Tootsie Rolls. Do not tell anyone else. If I find out you tell somebody else, then you'll never get another Tootsie Roll for the rest of the year. I got the Wednesday morning work ready. I got the lock of the day. I forgot the lock of the day yesterday. I am sorry. It looks like on my morning work, though, we have art today, and I put music. So we may have to double check that. I will go back and see to which one we actually have and change it on there. So have a great Wednesday. I'm looking forward to getting back and seeing you all. And let's enjoy the day.